Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Webdev. So in this video, what we will try to see is we will write the now HTML and CSS part, everything is completed. Now we will try to get the post details from our node server. Let's try to get it. Our node server is running, right? So let's try to check it. Yeah, our node server is running without any problem. So now let's try to get it. So here this is our entry file. Now this is the button. So get post. Here I will write id is equal to get. And for this one here I can write something like constant get button is equal to document dot get element by id of get. Okay, and I can get constant table element is equal to document dot get element by id of, let's say, table results. Is there present or not? I don't know. Let's check it. So table results. Now if you go into the index.html, here we need to have the body, and I will write table results. That's it. So we have the table body and we got the button. Now let's go on to this one. So here I will be writing get button dot add event listener of click event, and here I can write something like, if it is present, so fetch post. I will write the method fetch post. So here I will be having a function fetch post. So we have let server URL. So server URL will be constant server underscore URL will be HTTP 127.0.1 sorry 0.1 slash API. Okay, this is our server URL, and here post URL will be server URL plus slash post. So this is our URL, and let method is equal to get method. So now here let's create the XHR is equal to new XML HTTP request. So XHR dot open, and here first one you will be having the method and the last one you will be having the URL. Now when this one is open, so let's try to get XHR on load. So when this one is load, so you will be having a method, and if XHR dot status is equal to 200, fine, you'll do the thing, or else if it is not there means you can throw new error unable to do get request. So that's it. So now if XHR dot status is equal to 200 means let's take let response equal to XHR dot response text. I am trying to take the response text. Okay, and this one we know that it is a JSON thing. So let post is equal to JSON dot parse. So we are converting into JSON response, I think, like this. So we need to loop over the post, each loop let post of post. Okay, so we need to loop over each one, and here I can take something like let table rows equal to empty, and table rows plus is equal to tr. Okay, inside this tr I will be having one td and another td. So here you will be having post dot id, and the another one is post dot title, and the last one is the post dot description. That's it. So we have created the table rows, and now at last what we need to do after the for loop, so here we need to take the table element dot inner HTML is equal to table rows, right? By the final, so when this load, so this is the load thing finished, and here we need to send XHR dot send. That's it. This is our post thing. So post URL we haven't used here, URL. Yeah, that's it. So now we have created the get button and all those things is done. So let's try to run our server. I think it is already running. Let's refresh this page, and I am clicking on the get post. Nothing is happening. Why? I don't know. Oh, it is trying to get this one. So here, if I try to click here, post, we got the 404. Yeah, so why this 404? API slash post. We have this one, right? Let's try to get it here. Oh, we need to add the port also, right? So sorry, we need to add the port. The port is relying on the 3000. So the server URL is the port 3000. Okay. Now let's see whether we are able to access it or not. So now if I click on the get post, so this time we are able to get, this is the place where we are trying to access it, but we are getting the CORS error, which you people already know. I hope that you people already know about this CORS request. Why? Because cross origin request. We are trying to call the API URL which is present in the 3000 port, and we are trying to call from the 5500. So we need to have this access control allow origin header. So we need to send it into the server response thing. So now we have did this one. So in the next video, what we'll try to do is we'll try to fix the CORS error from the node point of view, and we'll try to do the move little bit move further. So what we have did, so we have taken the get element. So here we are taking this get button, and I am adding this server URL, and I am taking this funnel. Why I create a fetch post is tomorrow when I am trying to add a post, I will again call this fetch post to get the updated post details, so that I can update this all the with the latest data. So here I am trying to use the traditional XMLHTTP request. Then afterwards you will try to do with the fetch request also. So when this on load, I am trying to do these all the things. Okay. Hope you understood about this one. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.